going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be replacing this 7.5 ton commercial unit. We got it already demoed. Very simple change out. We're going to replace this 3-phase disconnect box. See here, remembering commercial applications, curb adapters are normal, right? You see where we got 3-phase right there. Okay, so I did have a commercial grade curb adapter made to withstand the tremendous weight of a 7.5 ton unit. So show you what that looks like when we're done. And the crane is already here. It's right over here somewhere. There it is. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. All right, there it is. It pretty much fit like a glove. It's really, really tight. Yeah. Yeah. But there it is. It's a lot more rigid because it's got to, withstand the weight. Now we're going to put this, we're putting this foam tape to seal and to reduce the noise. It's a 2-in-1 process, or it's a twofold purpose. Take this off. Alright, and we're going to seal this up. Put the new unit on. You can see right there. Let me see if you can see in here. It's pretty snug. It's not, almost no gaps anywhere. Really nice and tight. And any gaps that there are, we're going to fill them in with sealer. So that's what it looks like so far. Let me back up. It is going to sit taller, but that's just part of the business. It's part of the process. Okay, we got our unit mounted on the new curb adapter. Got our filters in. Our belt is nice and snug, the way it should be. Got my low voltage wires put into my board, smoke detector rewired, and now we're working on the disconnect. So we're pretty close to getting it started up. I think I didn't have a chance to get when we sealed in here, but in other videos I've gotten plenty of footage when we seal it with hard cast and Pookie sealer. We got our drain line right there. Just tap into the old existing one. It's a plumbing, or sorry, it's a commercial, so we would have to redo the whole plumbing if we wanted to replace the entire thing. It would be a big project. So in these scenarios, we just tie into the commercial building. All right, that's how it is so far. All right, y'all, there it is. It's a nice little side shot. We are done with this 7.5 ton. We did do Trane. It is a 2-stage system, 1 compressor, but it's got an unloader inside that lets it increase and decrease capacity and revolutions and whatnot. All right, we did a Honeywell T10 on this one. That's what they wanted to go with. I own a Honeywell T10 right now, and I've owned the Nexia 824s. They're both excellent thermostats. You really can't go wrong with either one. But they just wanted the sensors capability, and I personally think that as far as sensors go, the Honeywell sensors are better than the Trane. Does have hail guards on it. On commercial buildings, I highly recommend you buy systems with hail guards. These things are not cheap to fix or to service or to really do anything on. So you want to have a little hail guard on there, especially if you're in the northern part of Arizona. But here it's not a big deal. So I know a lot of people don't put them on. That's okay too. And that's it, y'all. What do you guys think? Like I said, new curb adapter. I know folks have asked if there's, you know, if there's any way to modify this if you do them incorrectly, and the answer is no. Realistically, there isn't. You really have to measure them very, very precise. If you can see here, there's not much. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's not much space in here at all. You know, I mean, you can't get not even a finger in there. Maybe a 1/16 of an inch space. If you have to make them a little bigger, that is okay, but you just cannot really make them any smaller. You're gonna have problems because this is much more rigid metal, right? Because it's got to support all the weight, so there really is not too much room for error. Here's our 3-phase disconnect. We had to extend the electrical out a little bit. We reconnected the 120 outlet that was up here. Those are really nice when a repair is needed and you can just tap into that. And then again, like I said, there's our drain line we reconnected. That's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see y'all on the next one. Peace.